Hi friends, I welcome you all for Prasad Maths Academy.
Hi friends, today we are going to learn of chapter number 10, laws of exponents. In that we are going to see use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. So how we are going to write a given number in standard form, okay? If it is a very big number or very small number, how we are going to write a standard form in a standard form. And also we are going to see comparing the given number, okay, and also we are going to solve the exercise of 10.2. So first of all we'll see how we can write numbers, very small number or very big numbers in standard form. Okay, for example, here you can see, observe the following facts. The distance from the earth to the sun is, it is 14960000000 meter, right? So it is very big number to read. So this type of numbers or very small number we are going to write in standard form. Okay, so what is a standard form, right? So standard form means we have to write a given number in the form of p into 10 raised to n. Okay, p into 10 raised to n. So where p lies between greater than, where p lies between greater than 1 and less than 10. Okay, so p should be, it should be lies between 1 to 10. So in that way we are writing, in this way we are going to say that is a writing in standard form. Okay, so writing in standard form. Okay, yes, writing in the form of p into 10 p into 10 raised to n. In this way, if you write the given number, so then we are going to say that is, it is in a standard form. Okay, so here some examples are given, so which are very big numbers, that also we are going to write in standard form, and very small number also we are going to write in a standard form. For example, fourth one, you can see the average diameter of red blood cell is 0.0000007 millimeter. Okay, so this is very small number. So this one we can going to write, we are going to write in standard form. Whatever these numbers are given, these are in usual form. So given question usual form, we are going to write in standard form, or standard form to usual form you are going to, how we are going to write, that we are going to see in this exercise. Okay, so first of all we'll see one example how we can write a given number in standard form. So I took here a very large number, so how, and very small number, so how we can write this number in standard form. For example, here it is very big number, so 150 comma 000, so 000 and 000 meter, right? So this is the very big number. So this one we are going to write in standard form. So standard form means, already I discussed that should be, it is written in the form of p into 10 raised to n, where p lies between greater than 1 and less than 10, and n is an integer. Okay, n is an integer. So in this way if you write, then given number will going to say it is in a standard form. Okay, yes. So how we can write the given number in this one, how we can write in standard form. So can I write this one as 1.5, so into how many zeros up to, we are, decimal point was here last, so we shifted to the second place, right here 1.5. so how many digits we shifted here, so just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is how many zeros, 11 zeros we are going to put here. Okay, 3 6 9 11, so 11 zeros we put. So this we can write it as 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Okay, so this is, in this way you are going to write a standard form. So how we are going to write 0.007 meter in standard form. So given number we will write here, so 0.0050 zeros are there, 7 meter. So we are going to write it in,
So
This we are going to write it as, can we write, so you know already 0.1, so we can write it as 1 by 10. So same way 0.01 we can write it as 1 upon 100. In the same way we are going to write this one as 7 upon, how many zeros are there, means 5 zeros, and this one decimal. Tell me how many decimal places are there, 6 decimal places we are going to write here. Okay, so 3 6 zeros, so this we can write 7 upon, so 10 raised to 6. So you know already in the laws of exponents, 1 upon e raised to m, we can write it as e raised to minus m. So this we can write it as 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. In this way you are going to write a standard form, means 7 means 7.0 it is, yes. So in this way we are going to write in standard form. So this is the way of writing of a given number in standard form. So p here 7, in this value it is like p into 10 raised to n form. Okay, so here p is what, p equal to 7 and n is 10 minus 6. Okay, in this way we are going to write in standard form. Now we are going to compare very large and very small numbers. So here when we are going to take one example, that is the diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to 9 meter and diameter of earth is 1.2756 into 10 to 7 meter. So I want to compare these two things, that is diameter of sun and diameter of earth. So to compare these two, first we have to find the ratio of two. Okay, these two. So that is, we can find, that is diameter of sun divided by diameter of earth. So diameter of sun is given 1.4 into 10 to 9. Then here we are going to do 1.2756 into 10 to 7 meter. So to compare these two diameters, so I want to make unit should be same. Unit is already same, that is meter and meter. So here only 10 to 9 and 10 to 7 it is different. So first we have to make this power should be same. So that is, we can do it by is 1.4 into 10 to 2 into 10 to 7. So this I will make it 10 to 7 and denominator 1.2756 into 10 to 7. So now this power 10 to 7 and 10 to 7 will be same. Just we have to, this one we have to try to remove, right? So how we can, this one we can utilize here. So 1.4 is 10 to 2, we can write it as 100 and into 10 to 7 meter divided by, that is divided by, it is equal, divided by 1.2756 into 10 to 7 meter. So now we can compare it is, so how we can simplify, for example now you have to just calculation part it is there. So 1.2756, if you round off this number it will be 276. Next if you round off this number it is 28. Again if you round off next one more one digit, one decimal digit, that is 1.3. So if you take this one approximate, it is 1.3, this is 1.4 into 100 into 10 to 7 divided by 10 to 7 meter. Okay, so now almost you can check here, 1.4 upon 1.3 means almost it is close to 99, or is you can approximate, you can take it as 1 into 100 and 10 to 7, this is meter and meter, 10 to 7 meter and 10 to 7 will cancel, this is equal to 100 meter. Okay, so now you can see, so therefore diameter of sun is equal to, diameter of sun is equal to, so diameter of earth divided by there will shift here, so it will become 100 times the diameter of earth. So in this way you can compare these two things, diameter of earth. So it is, diameter of sun is, it is 100 times the diameter of earth. So in this way you can compare these two things. Okay, that is what they are given in the solving part. Okay, so same way, so next one they are given again, so distance between the sun and earth. Okay, that is distance between the sun and earth. Distance between sun and earth is given, and distance between the earth and moon is given. So we have to find the difference between the these two things. Okay, so that is they done subtraction, so that is they got the answer. So to do the subtraction again, we have to make the power here same, so that we can do the subtraction, right? So that is they how they done, that is by 10 to 3 here, and 10 to 8 and 10 to 8. So now it is 10 to 8 is common, it is same, it is there. So then they simplified. In this way you can do the sums. Okay, so this is what it is given. Now we will start with exercise, that is writing the given numbers in standard form. So express the following numbers in standard form, right? So question number 1, in that first one we are going to take, that is 0.000. How many zeros are there? 3, 6, 3 here, 6, again 3, 2, and this one here decimal place we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is up to 11 zeros are there, and 8 one more digit. Okay, 3 here, 3, 3, and this is 3, and here 8, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 0 we take an extra here, so we'll remove that one. So how we can write in standard form? So it is, we have to take 8.5 decimal point will be shifted between 8 and 5, so 8 and 8.5. So this one we can write it as divided by how many zeros? 10 to 12 it is. Okay, 12 places we shifted from left to right. Okay, decimal place, so you have to take it as 10 to 12. So this we can write it as 10 8.5 into 10 raised to minus 12. So if it is very small number, the power will be in negative. Okay, so answer is 8.5 into 10 raised to minus 12. So this is the answer. So same way, if it is very small number, the power will be negative. Okay, so if it is very big number, the power will be positive. So second one, so 0.0, so many are there, so just will count here, 3 here, 3, 3, and here 9 here we want. Okay, so it is 0.000, 0 and 00942. Yes, so now decimal point where we want, it will be p into 10 to n. P should be, means it should be less than 10. So decimal point we want 9.42, here we want. Okay, so it will write 9.42. So how many decimal digits we shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, again 12. So it is 10 to plus 10 to 12 here denominator. So now we can write in standard form 9.42 into 10 to minus 12. So in this way we can write the answer. Okay, yes. So now we'll see question number 5th one. Okay, so third and fourth you can do homework. Question number 5, that is 3, 1, 8, 6, 0, 0, 0, 7 zeros are there. Okay, 3 here and 4. Okay, yes. So now standard form means decimal point where we want between 3 and 1. Okay, so we want 3.186. Okay, you know already. So it is 1.2 into 100. How we can write? So we can write it as 120. Yes, so decimal point here it was there, we shifted here, so that we can write 1.2 into 10 to 2. Same way, the power, if it is bigger number, power will be positive. Okay, yes. So now I should write here how many zeros we shifted, how many places we shifted decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 places we shifted. Okay, it is 10 raised to 10. So this is the answer in standard form, 3.186 into 10 raised to 10. Okay, so in this way we can write the number in standard form. So now question number 2, it is we are going to write in usual form. Okay, so how we can write in usual form? So if standard form is given or whatever it is given, usual form means without power we are going to write convert it to as usual form. Question number 2 in that first one. So 3.02 into 10 raised to minus 6. Yes. So this we can write first step is 3.02 as it is. So divided by 10 raised to 6. It will be positive. Okay. So this we can write 3.02. 10 raised to 6 means how many zeros? 6 zeros we are going to write here. Okay. So this we can write. Now decimal point is here. So we have to shift to the left side. How many places? 6 places. Okay. So we'll write 3, 4, 2. Already one place we shifted here. Again 5 zeros you are going to put here. Okay, so here we'll put decimal point. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the writing in the usual form, 0.00005 zeros, and this is one more digit, so 4 2. So this is the usual form of writing the number. Okay, so question number 2 will take, that is 4.5 into 10 to minus 4. So how we write this one? In sorry, plus 4 it is. Okay, so 4.5 10 to 4 means how many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay, so when you are multiplying by 10, 100,000 followed by 1, so the decimal point will shift to the right side. Okay, right side, this side will shift. Okay, so now decimal point is here, so we have to shift, that is one place, and we have to put 1 zero will shift here for 5, and remaining 3 zeros we are going to write it as it is. So it is 45,000. Okay, in this way you are going to write the number. Okay, next one, question number 4. So third one you will do it as a homework. Question number 4, that is 1.001 into 10 raised to 9 question. Okay, so how we will write this one again? 1.001 10 raised to 9 means how many zeros? 9 zeros we are going to write here. Okay, yes, 9 zeros. Then we are going to shift this decimal point 9 places towards right. Okay, so 1001. So already now 3 places we shifted, so 3 zeros will go that time, so remaining 6 zeros you are going to write it as it is. Okay, yes, so this is the answer, 1001000000. Now decimal point is here. Okay, 10 you write or don't write, no problem. Yes, so in this way you are going to write the number. Okay, so we will take one more sum, that is question number 3, and the last two questions you can do it as homework. Okay, so 3 into tends to a minus 8. So because it is negative is there, two sums for negative power, two sums for positive power we are going to do. Yes, so again this one we can write 3 into, so 3 in 3 upon 10 to minus 8 we can convert into divided by, that is 10 to power 8. So this we can write 3 upon, so how many zeros? 8 zeros we are going to write here. 8 zeros. Okay, yes. So now, so if it is division, if it is division is there followed by one number of zeros, and you have to shift decimal place towards left side. Okay, left side you are going to shift. So now decimal point 3 point it is the 3.0 it is. So we will shift here already. If you take wait, okay, so we'll write first 3 here. So how many places I have to shift? 8 places. So first of all decimal point was here, so I will shift to the left side. Okay, so I will write here first I have many one place, again 7 0 I have to put here, 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 0.000, how many zeros? 7 zeros. Okay, so this is 3, this is 4, and this is 1. So 8 places it will shifted to the left hand side. Okay, when it is divided by. Okay, in this way you can write the in usual notation. Okay, so next question, question number 3. Yes, So we are going to write express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. So in question number 3, that is first one, it is given 1 micron is equal to, it is given 1 upon, so it is equal to, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there here. Okay, meter. So this one they told you to write in standard form. Yes, so this we can write 1 upon, so 10 it is how many zeros? 6 zeros are there, so can I write in 10 raised to 6? Yes. So now we can say, so 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Okay, this is the in standard form of writing the answer. Okay, so already I discussed in standard form means what? This p into 10 raised to n form. Okay, where p is greater than or equal to, it first in the starting point I given it is greater than, it is not greater than, it is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Okay, yes, this is the p value where it lies. Okay, so here it is, because it is 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, yes. So next one, you can see question number 2. You already seen physics or chemistry. Charge of an electron, charge of an electron is given. Okay, so we are going to write in standard form. So that is, it is given 0.00, how many zeros are there? How many 3 pairs are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 zeros are there. Okay, this is 3 3 6 9 12 15 16. Okay, yes, 16 18 zeros are there, and last one 6 coulomb. Okay, so this one you are going to write in standard form. So this one I have to write in standard form means decimal point where I want it should be between 1 and 6, between 1 and 6, 1.6. Okay, so I want decimal point here, so this one I can write it as, so it is in this very small number, so you have to go for in denominator. So 10 is to zeros are there 18, and one more this one 10 is to 19. Okay, 10 is to 19, so this we can write in standard form is 1.6 into 10 is to minus 19. Okay, coulomb. This is the uh, in standard form. So same way you can write next number. So any question you can write in standard form. Okay, so we'll do the question number 4, that is size of plant cell, last one. So last two questions, remaining questions you can try yourself, try this. Okay, so size of plant cell is given 0.000125. so now if you want to write in standard form means decimal point we want between 1 and 2. Okay, so it should be 1.275, and so how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4, and one more decimal we shifted here, so it is 4 and 1 5, 10 is to 5 here. Okay, so it is equal to 1.275 meter. Okay, sorry, 1.275 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. In this way you are going to write the answer. So now we are going to have a last question, that is question number 4. What is given? Question number 4. Okay, in a stack there are 5 books each of thickness 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheets each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? Okay, so yes, so total thickness we have to find, that is equal to total thickness of the stack. Okay, yes, so it is equal to it is 5 books each of thickness how much? Each thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay, so plus, and 5 papers each of thickness is how much? 0.016 millimeter. So this we are going to add so that you will get the thickness. Okay, so how we can add? 5 into 20, it is 100. 5 into 20, 25 is 100 millimeter, and this one, so multiply this one, so 5 into 0.016. Okay, so we'll multiply 16 5s are 5 6 are 30, and 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 16 5s are 80. So decimal point how many? 3 places, 1 2, here 1, so 0.080 millimeter. Okay, so millimeter. So now you can add these two things, that is 100 plus 0.080 means 0.8 it will be. Okay, millimeter. So this we can write. So also we can write in standard form, that is decimal point here we shifted two places to the right, so 1.0008 into 10 to 2 millimeter. Okay, in this way you can write the answer. So answer is 1.008 into 10 to, one more zero here, 8, then this 1.0008 into 10 to 2 millimeter. So this is the thickness of the stack. Okay, so